Welcome to one of the most peaceful and nature-filled stays in Kumarakom, the beautiful KTDC Waterscapes Resort. It is one of the most scenic and nature-rich stays in Kumarakom, Kerala, especially if you want a true backwater experience. It is managed by the Kerala Tourism Development Corporation, KTDC, and is known for its peaceful setting and eco-friendly design. It has charming cottages built on stilts, surrounded by lush greenery and narrow canals. Staying here feels less like a hotel, and more like living in a tranquil backwater village. It has total of around 40 to 41 cottages, including garden, canal, and lake view options. Each cottage is spacious with modern amenities like AC, TV, and private bathrooms. The vibe here is more eco-resort plus backwater village experience rather than a luxury hotel. Mornings here begin with the soothing sounds of birds, making it a paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. And as the day unfolds, you can explore the calm backwaters with a relaxing boat ride or simply unwind by the lake. The resort also offers great facilities like a swimming pool, an in-house restaurant serving delicious local and multi-cuisine dishes, and even Ayurvedic wellness experiences to help you truly relax. As the sun sets over Vembanad Lake, the entire place transforms into a magical landscape, perfect for capturing those unforgettable travel moments. It is less commercial compared to luxury resorts. It offers a budget-friendly backwater resort experience compared to premium properties nearby. It is a great option for slow travel, relaxation, and photography. For best experience, visit during winter season, which is November to February, for bird watching. Nestled right inside the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary and along the serene Vembanad Lake, this resort offers a truly unique backwater experience that feels close to nature in every way. It's actually the only resort inside the bird sanctuary, which makes it quite special. KTDC Waterscapes is definitely a place worth experiencing if you want a calm, authentic Kerala backwater stay surrounded by nature, rather than a high-end luxury resort. It's one of those places where the location itself is the main attraction. As our journey at KTDC Waterscapes Resort in Kumarakom comes to an end, we now set out towards Kochi to uncover its historic charm. So stay tuned for what's coming next.